Hello dear students, hope you all well. Our today's topic is articles a and the. An article is an adjective. Like adjectives, articles modify noun, or we can say the words a, an, and the are called articles. These are actually demonstrative adjectives and are used before the nouns to determine or fix their meaning. As we can see that we generally see everywhere a, an, or the. Generally, we can see in the words or in the paragraph. So these are called demonstrative adjective, or it is used to determine or fix the meaning of noun. A, an, and the are called articles. A and are called indefinite articles, or the is called definite article. The is used to refer a specific or particular noun, or a or an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. A or an is called indefinite article because it does not point out any particular or definite person or thing. Okay, fine. A or an is indefinite article. Why? Because they are not pointing out any particular or definite person or thing. Or the is called definite article because it is used when we speak about some particular or definite person or thing. Fine. Here we use a, an, or the before noun that we want to introduce. We are using these three words a, an, or the, or these three articles before nouns that we want to introduce. Nouns are name of people, place, animals, or thing. For example, now here we can see a person, a place, a thing. Let's understand it with an example. When a person or thing is introduced for the first time, we generally use the indefinite article a or an. Okay, fine. Like in a paragraph, when we introduce a person or the thing first time, we generally use a or an. But when the same person or thing is talked about the next time in the same paragraph, we use definite article the. Because when we have introduced all those things, then afterwards we started using definite article. Before we use a or an, that is indefinite article, but when we introduce the one first time, then we use definite article the. For example, once upon a time, a prince was going through a jungle riding an elephant. Here in this, time, prince, jungle, elephant, all like these all are noun, and we use indefinite article here a, an. But when we are going to take these names again, or when we are going to use the same noun in the paragraph again, here we are going to use definite article the. The prince at once decided to shoot the tiger in this manner. So if we want to introduce nouns, before we have to use all those articles before nouns. Now what are the uses of articles where a is used? So first thing is, before a word beginning with a consonant, or before beginning with a consonant sound, we always use word or article a. Consonant are the word which is not vowel. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These all are consonant. And when the consonant sounds come, so we use a there. Like example, boy, boy, bird, a boy, a bird, a rabbit, a pen, a pencil, a mouse, a chair, etc. Because in all those words, consonant is the beginning sound. So here we are going to use a only before a singular noun beginning. When we use this a before a singular noun, For example, one book is there, only one book is there, so we will say a book. If only a bag is there, so again we'll use a only. A school, a dog, in this manner. Or before such vowels which have sound u, vu or va, here again we'll use a. It is here is we can see that it is vowel. In useful vowel comes, but the sound of vowel is not there. U sound is there, so we are going to use a also here. Even before vowel letter which does not have vowel sound, like the European, a unit, of union, in this way. Some words start with a vowel letter but begin with a consonant sound, so we use a before these words too. Here once again, for some words are always, like as I have told you that we are using a before consonant beginning sound, but here again we can see that it is start with the vowel u, but again we have used a. Why? Because it's not give the vowel sound. It is not giving the vowel sound, it giving the sound of u, in this way. Like one, ver sound it is giving. So sound is also important here. We not only the consonant or vowel. We use a before words that begin with a consonant. This is clear. This is a girl, a clock, a lamp. This is clear by the before example. Now an is used. Where n is used? Before the word beginning with a vowel. N is used before a word beginning with a vowel, like an idiot, an apple, an extra pen, an aunt, an ox, an inkpot, an ugly bird, an Englishman. These many words are here. Here we are going to use an only. Beginning vowel sound. Before a word beginning with h but not sounded, we will use before the words beginning with silent h. An honor, an hour, an honest man, an honest fellow, an honorable man, in this manner. So again, it is you is the word, the starting word or starting letter is h, but sounds come of o, means sound come of vowel. So here again we'll use n. We use n before words that begin with a vowel sound, a, e, I, o, u, or these are vowels, like an orange, an umbrella, an apple, an eye, in this manner. Now the is used when a particular person or thing is being talked about. When we are talking about a particular person or particular thing, here we are going to use the, because the is definite article, and here we know that we are going to talk about this particular person or thing. I have already read the book you are talking about. Here we are talking about a book and I have already read, so I am not going to use a here. I have already read the book which you talked about or which you are talking about. Next is the article on child labor moved everyone who read it. Again, if you ask that article, it should be n. No, that child labor moved everyone who read it. Again, we have already talked or discussed about the same articles. So here again we will use the. The is used before a singular noun when it refers to a particular class or group. When we talk about a particular class or group, here again we will use the. For example, the rose. Roses in general. Okay, the rose in the most beautiful flower. So roses in general, we are talking about rose means all the roses. So again we'll use the here. The teacher is a nation builder. Teachers in general. So teacher. Before some unique object which is unique or which is one only, the sun, the sky, the moon, which is one only, again we'll use the for them. Before the names of any mountain, rivers, ocean, deserts, etc., like the Ganga, the Sahara, the Pacific, in this way. The Nilgiris, the Himalayas, the Alps, seeing them. before the names of the book. If you talk about any kind of religious book or any book, so again we'll use the here, because the Bible, the Gita, the Ramayana, the Quran, etc. The we always use for the superlative degree, because it is the best, the tallest. So when is it's going to be superlative degree, so of course we are going to use the there before any musical instrument like the flute, the violin, the guitar, any musical instrument. Before an adjective to denote a whole class, we are going to use the to denote the whole class, like the old, the rich, the poor. Here we are talking about whole class, like means who every old people, or all old people, all rich people, all poor people. So here again we'll use the. Or for superlative degree we have already discussed, like May is the hottest month of the year, Rahul is the tallest of all, in this way. Now we use though when we know that there is only one of a particular thing. Here again the sky, we know that only particular thing is there, so we'll use the only, the sky, the world, the North Pole, because these things are only one and we are talking about some particular thing. However, article the is not used where article the is not used, or where articles are missing before the names of relations like father, uncle, sister. We are not going to use any article before the names of these relations. Before the names of material like gold, silver, diamond, we are not going to say in this manner a gold, a silver, a diamond. No, this is incorrect. Gold, silver and diamond, this is can be article will be omit here in before these words. Before pronoun or before proper noun, like proper noun lotus, Chennai, Priya, so here we are not going to use any article. Before abstract noun, honesty, wisdom, truth, these are abstract noun which we cannot see. Here again we will not use any article. Or before any language, Hindi, Tamil, English, or before certain phrases like at noon, these are phrases, so we are not going to use any article here. At now, at noon, by train, on foot, in this way. Or we are not going to use article the before the names of any city, town or villages, before the names of any country, or before the names of person. We, like suppose I am talking about you, so I'm not going to say, I'm not going to take your name with the word there. So suppose your name is Vijay, so I'm not going to say a Vijay or the Vijay. No, this is incorrect. Okay. Or before the name of any continent, or before name of single mountain or lake, or before the days of week, the Monday, the Tuesday, it should not be there. Before the months of any year, or before an abstract noun, this we have already discussed. I hope you all understand the chapter, or you all understood the chapter. Revise it once again. Thank you so much.